Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. It's me Farhana Bilal. Welcome to my channel FB Conceptual Study. Today in lecture number 4 we will learn parts of speech, types of pronouns. Today we will learn how many types of pronouns are there. Number 1 personal pronoun, number 2 possessive pronoun, number 3 reflexive pronoun, number 4 intensive pronoun, number 5 relative pronoun, number 6 reciprocal pronoun, number 7 interrogative pronoun, number 8 demonstrative pronoun, number 9 indefinite pronoun. Now we will learn personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to individuals or things. For example, he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. Now we will learn through sentences how do we use personal pronouns in sentences. He is studying in class 2. Now here he is a personal pronoun and it is referring to an individual. We use he for male gender. So he is studying in class 2. It means we are talking about a boy who is studying in class 2. She is my cousin. Next, it is a cute pen. I am going to Gilani Mart. You are a student. You are students. We are playing in the ground. They are coming today. In this way, we use personal pronouns in sentences. Now we will learn possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Now we will learn through sentences. How do we use them? This book is mine. Here you can see mine is possessive pronoun. It shows ownership. Next, this book is yours. This pillow is his. This parrot is ours. This cat is theirs. This dog is hers. Next, number 3, we will learn reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the doer of an action. For example, myself, himself, itself, ourselves, herself, yourself, and themselves. Now we will learn through sentences. I completed the project myself. Here myself is a reflexive pronoun. It refers back to the doer of an action, that is I. Next, he pulled the heavy box himself. The dog always hides itself under the table. We decorated the house ourselves. She bought herself a new dress. Did you hurt yourself during the game? The children dressed themselves for school. Number 4, intensive pronoun. Intensive pronouns emphasize a noun or another pronoun within the same sentence. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now we will learn through sentences how do we use them. You yourselves must fix the problem. Here yourselves is an intensive pronoun. It emphasizes the pronoun you, that you yourselves must fix the problem. Next, they themselves cleaned the room. You yourself edited the video. The pilot himself flew the plane. The cat itself opened the gate. We ourselves will take care of the garden. The singer herself performed the song. I myself saw the incident. Now we will learn relative pronouns. It introduces relatives and relates them to another noun or pronoun in the sentence. For example, who, whom, which, that, and whose. Now we will learn through sentences how do we use them. The girl who is studying is my sister. He is the man whom I met in the park. The book which you have is mine. The pen that I bought yesterday has been lost today. This is my friend whose father is a teacher. Now we will learn reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns express mutual relationship or action. For example, each other and one another. The two friends helped each other for completing homework. When we talk about two people, then we use each other. Next, they all support one another. When we talk about more than two people, then we use one another. Now we will learn interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, which, what, and whose. Now we will learn through sentences how do we use them. Who is at the door? With whom did you go to the zoo? Which of the boy is tallest? What is your name? Whose books are these? Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things or people. For example, this, that, these, and those. Now we will learn through sentences how do we use them. This is my favorite shirt. These are best books for reading. Those hats are stylish. Now we will learn indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. For example, somebody, anyone, something, everyone, nobody, everything, each, many, few, all, and some. Now we will learn through examples how do we use them. Someone gave me this book. Everyone is sleeping here. No one is sleeping in my bed. I gave everything to my sister. He saw something in the garden. I looked everywhere for my keys. Sam is looking for somewhere to live. I won't tell your secret to anyone. There is nothing to eat. Sam will follow you anywhere. You may invite anybody to your birthday party. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.